kids, in this video we are going to learn about farm animals. अच्छा farm animals क्या होते हैं? Farm animals are animals that are raised on farms for their meat, dairy products or to help out the farmers. Farmers की help करने के लिए और हमें farm animals से meat, dairy products मिलते हैं, इसलिए हम उन्हें farms में पालते हैं. देखते हैं कुछ और farm animals को. Goat. Goat is a farm animal. Cattle. Cattle means cow or bull. These are cattle and raised on farms. Sheep. Sheeps. Pig. Pig is a farm animal. Horse. Horse is a farm animal. Rabbit. Rabbit. Bees. Bees. Hen, cock and chicken. Hens means मुर्गियाँ. Cock या rooster. Cock means मुर्गा. Chicken means मुर्गी के बच्चे यानी चूजे. Turkey.
Thanks for watching. If you like the